Welcome back to my channel. We are gonna go right into my channel number 1, Mom, Wife, and Everyday Life, and talk about the March analytics. Okay, so the overview, again, this is longs and shorts combined. In 2025, I've not posted any fresh shorts though. 2.8K views, 112 watch time hours, only gained 11 subs. That's way down. Let me just real quick throw you a 90-day view. This is roughly from the beginning of the year. So if you look, we'll just do views. So we got January, February, March is down. Hours, January, February, March is down. And subscribers, January, February, March is way down. I lost quite a few. Probably people I gained in January and February that weren't happy with my March content. Let's take a deeper look. Okay, let's just get on March here and let's go ahead and I'm gonna click content and we're gonna just do videos. I'm not worried about the short form. Okay, so just a quick look across the board. So watch time hours, 103. Now, January and February, I had about 275 in January and about 360 in February. So we're down considerably. Average percentage viewed, 31.4%, which actually is pretty on pace with January and February. They were more like 35 and 34%. Now, views, I got 1822. January and February, I got more like 4,400 and then like 4,800. Now, I would like to say in January and February, I did 2 videos a week. In March, I only did 1. So that came out at 9 videos in January, 8 videos in February, and 5 videos in March. Now, my impressions were about 50,000. I'm just going to use round numbers here. So about 50,000 impressions. January, we were about 97,000. And then February was more like 112,000. So I'm at about half the impressions, but I did have half the videos. So, I mean, could call that fair enough. Now, the click-through rate, 2.6%. I would really love to see that at 3%. January and February were more like 3.3 and 3.2%. The average view duration was 3 minutes, 24 seconds. Overall, not bad. However, January and February were 3:43 and 4:30. For February, my average view duration was 4 minutes and 30 seconds, which is great. So I lost a minute of average view duration. If you multiply that times your views, like it is a lot of watch time down. That's where we're at. Part of it had to do with click-through rate, lower, average view duration, lower, impressions, lower, views, lower. If I would have posted 8 videos, you know, how much worse would it have been? I don't know. I had to slow down though. In January and February, I was doing a ton. I have 3 channels right now. So it's very challenging to do multiple videos in a week. This is definitely a reason to only do 1 channel at a time. Okay. I would not recommend what I'm doing to anyone, honestly. Now I will say 100 hours of watch time used to be great to me. January and February, I blew that out of the water. But before then, that number would have been really, really solid. And actually before the new year, January and February, the best month I had for long form hours only was right around like 60 hours in a month. So 100 is still amazing for me, but it's not on par for monetization. For monetization, if you're gonna take the whole 12 months, you need about 333 hours per month for 12 months straight. Okay, so January and February, I was like close in both directions, a little under, a little over. So about averaged out, but I need to get back up to that level if this channel is gonna get monetized. Let's go ahead and look into the content a little bit. Okay, we are gonna disregard the graph and just get right into the content. So stop overpaying for groceries. I just posted this one. It was my best video for March. And I really enjoyed making this video. It was 4 grocery stores comparing prices. I am happy overall with the impressions. The click-through rate was high. I thought I did good on the thumbnail. I worked really hard on it. So it's always the goal. I definitely struggle with thumbnails and what to do. To me, I see them, I click them when I'm a YouTube watcher, but as the creator, I'm like, I don't know, I think this looks good. It was just under a 12-minute video and I was getting about 3 minutes duration. So not bad overall. Let's go ahead and add a column for watch time hours. And then I do also like to add the average percentage viewed. So duration matters for doing the math on the hours, but percentage matters for how long am I retaining people. So that moved it down. Hang on, what are we sorted by? Let's sort by views. So for views, that grocery one right there, 25% of it viewed. It got me 15 watch time hours with 300 views. Now what's interesting is this pantry challenge one, it only got 200 views. So, you know, like 60% of it, or 66%, like 2/3. but it actually got me more watch time hours. And that's because I was getting a 6-minute average view duration. Really important to get that average view duration up. This is where it significantly impacts your watch time hours. I was getting 28% of that viewed, so I was still holding similar retention as far as percentage of video, but it was a longer amount. Great impressions, click-through rate, 2.5%. Okay, not bad. I will take that. Another pantry challenge, that one was, that was March. So I did do my final video in March. That one was February. This one was March, January. Gosh, there should be another March one. Oh, the zebra cake one. That was March as well. It was kind of random. I don't necessarily want to do cooking videos, but during the pantry challenge, I got into the food a little bit. So I was trying to figure out what to do with that. And honestly, for the amount of work, it wasn't my favorite thing. I wasn't passionate about it. I think I'll do the occasional grocery video in the sense of grocery tips and grocery shopping and saving money, but I'm not a chef. I'm not a cook. So I don't want to give too much cooking advice. And then I also dabbled in cleaning and I've realized cleaning is definitely not where I want to go with this channel. This is what we're looking at. I mean, overall, it's still not a bad month for me, but it's still not good enough. Basically, I feel like this first channel has been a great learning opportunity for me. I've learned how to do YouTube, what to do, what not to do, a little bit of learning what works for me. And part of me, I'm not giving up on this channel because I enjoy it too much, but part of me has said I need to shift my focus. And I really think I want to invest my time into the baby registry reviews channel. It's fresh, it's new, and I see more earning potential there as far as affiliate links on products. And I have some services that I think I can offer there. This channel, I don't really have a product. I don't have a business idea. It's just me putting content out there, wanting to get views and paid via YouTube. I don't think it's going to happen with this channel. I will see. I'm going to keep posting content, but I need to do simple videos. I need to get them out there and I need to try to, have that impact, have that value, titles, thumbnails, we'll see. I've learned so much and I'm continuing to learn, but I do think in order to make some money, I need to maybe move some focus over to baby registry reviews. Okay, so January and February were such a good run. The pantry challenge went amazing on this channel, but I can't do it forever. Those videos are starting to fall off now, which is fine. If you notice, just take this one, for example. I still got 5 hours of watch time. I got some 4s, some 5s, some 2s. That's still really great and that's exciting. And I would love to keep getting those hours. But I also need my new videos to, get me 100 hours and do their thing. And they're just not right now. So it's a bummer. I'm just real quick going to go to the Earn tab. So this is showing as of March 28th. This is always a few days behind. I'm filming this on April 2nd. So this is my March recap. And something that is exciting, I'm going to scroll down because I like this view better. I'm at 104 subscribers and I'm at 1,012 watch time hours. So I'm 25% there on the watch time hours and I'm 40% there on the subs. So kind of a nice number there with 400 and nice number there with 1,000. However, I'm still really, really far off. And I will say I lost some subs. Here's just a quick look, I guess. Lost one, lost 2 there, lost 2 there. I definitely lost subscribers this month, which is such a bummer. Honestly, compared to January and February, it's kind of crazy how many I lost because in January, I gained 101 net. And in February, I believe I gained 82 net. So to gain let me fix my date here, but to gain 11 is kind of a bummer. All right, I've lost the momentum from January and February, but again, like I said, I can't keep doing the pantry challenge forever. And it's I did something viral, not viral enough, obviously I'm not monetized. People like pantry challenges and that was great, but now people are leaving or I'm not holding their attention or they came here for something that I'm not going to continue to offer and they're not interested in the other things I have to offer. So I'm definitely in a conundrum right now. Part of me is what do I do to keep those people? And part of me is you know what? I'm going to post what I want to post at the end of the day. You can look at it multiple different ways. If you're a business person, you need to focus on getting those views and retaining attention and getting the people you want. But honestly, I don't see this channel getting monetized and I want to help people and I want to give advice that I want to give on this channel. So I think this channel, I'm going to allow myself to post what I want to post and do what I want to do. And if it eventually takes off, that's great. But honestly, at this rate, it's not happening. Where I'm going to be more strategic on my posting is my baby registry review channel. I'm trying my best over there. It's not really taking off either, but I am hopeful that maybe I can do some sort of client work over there And I want to work to get it monetized via a different route, not the YouTube monetization, but rather with more business and business structure. This is March on Mom, Wife, and Everyday Life, my original YouTube channel. It is 24 months old now. We closed out March, and that closes out 2 years on this channel. So I'm at 2 years and I am still not monetized. It stings. It definitely hurts. I feel like I have really good mom advice to share. And one thing with my mom advice is I'm not trying to get you to buy everything or do the craziest things. I like simplicity. I like minimalism. I like finding a solution that doesn't actually make the problem worse. So I don't know. We're going to keep trying in my own way and see what we can do. So thank you for checking this video out. If you're struggling on YouTube, I don't know what to tell you. Is it time to keep trying or is it time to quit? I don't know. I probably should quit, but I'm stubborn and I just simply don't want to. So good luck to you. Maybe we're just one video away. Hopefully that is the case. Alrighty, I will see you in another video. Have a great day.